I'm not anti-police. And all of my writing activity is not anti-police, as an anti-police officer and so on. No. And it is a mistake for me, by anyone out there, for anyone to profile me in that way. My work is freedom of speech, which is anti-socialism, anti-police state, because police state, which is socialism, Marxism, Stalinism, call it what you will, it is collectivism, and it is like the devil constantly biting us all in the butt as a constant reminder that we are created by God as self-developing beings, not for life of itself, but to struggle and work for what is called individuality. Individuality, a very precious thing which we are in danger of losing here in America. Would you agree?
Yes.
Would you agree?
Yes, very much so. That's why this next election is so critical.
Yeah, and we're not taking sides one way or the other, who will win, who will not win, and so on, Obama or McCain.
But it's critical.
The point is, each of us must weigh one with the other for ourselves. We're not trying to influence votes for the election here. What is important for freedom? What is important for the atmosphere for freedom of speech, and what is ordained from above for us to do, and that is to struggle and develop along the line of what is called individuality. This is what God created us to do. And this line of work cannot take place in a police state, in a state of socialism, which is the only thing that holds a socialistic state together is what is called letter of the law, which is a real evil. Letter of the law, devoid of spirit and devoid of substance. You agree?
Yes.
Real evil. As I said before, I am not anti-police. I'm not anti-police officer. What I am saying and write freely about is that there is a lot wrong with how police departments are operated and how they are run, because there's way too much emphasis on letter outweighing spirit, outweighing Christian spirit, outweighing Christian substance. Real love of God, which is the first commandment of Christ, and second commandment, which is love your neighbor as yourself. These laws cannot be enforced by letter of the law. These are real world laws given to us by Jesus Christ. And it is for us to enforce as real Americans, true Americans. And it's this overemphasis of letter which is killing all of us, and will kill everything and everyone in the end. And Maurice Nicole even says it here. Man is an experiment. And there's a constant danger that the whole of humanity can fall to colonies of ants and bees, and then the whole of humanity then is phased out. And another experiment is begun. This socialistic and Marxist nonsense is killing everything and everyone. And it seems that, again, I'm not anti-police, it seems that most police officers do not understand this. They are over-concerned about money, about paycheck, about union concerns. Union is a real evil in connection with police, by the way. You have something to say on that? You agree with that?
Yes,
it's an evil.
Yeah.
Not to be unions the way they are with the police.
That's right.
Because they're easily manipulated with this union nonsense.
There should be.
And it's driving everything to a police state, and that is killing all of us.
Anyone in government service should not be in a union.
Yeah.
They should not be allowed in government service because the politicians play to it, and everybody suffers as a result.
Police union is the face of the devil. And the only thing that keeps these unions what they are is letter outweighing substance, outweighing real Christian spirit, real Christian love. And it's important that all of us ponder on this. So, in the spirit of this Christian love,
Hin samikna. The who, the lahar shot, all right there shot. May Allah hakis. Bishmei Nadisha, Akira. Tushmakan.
Let's see what happens. Fuck that! Look at it! Look at it!